Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper, and if you are looking for the most delicious Sunday brunch buffet on the Las Vegas Strip, you have found the right video. Zena the Glamper Camper is hanging out back at the camper, but me, my amazing boyfriend, and his mom are about to enjoy this buffet. The buffet at the Wynn Las Vegas is absolutely amazing. Here are all of their offerings and their prices. You can also add the Endless Pour, which is unlimited types of alcohol, to your buffet. We came on Sunday for the gourmet brunch. Now, thinking about spending $49.99 per person on a buffet might kind of send your head reeling, but once you see this place, you'll know it's worth it. They have tons of different options: American food, bread, seafood, Chinese food, Mexican food, pizza, salads, soups, a bunch of options to drink, and the most amazing dessert room with ice cream and homemade crepes and everything else that your belly can possibly want to devour. This place was absolutely amazing, and the seating area is beautiful. And I wanted to show you the best thing first. They have an amazing chef who creates crepes right in front of you. And so I had a homemade crepe here filled with mixed berries and cannoli filling. They have tons of different fillings and toppings that you can put on your crepe. And of course, they are unlimited, so I definitely went back for a few more. We were sat pretty close to the seafood section. Now, while I don't like sushi and fish, they do have quite a lot of options for all of you sushi lovers out there. They look beautiful. Next to the sushi, they had this really good kind of meat carving area. They had a bunch of different kinds of meat, little sliders, and a plethora of different peppers that had been roasted. The mini peppers were really good. The garlic mashed potatoes and the mac and cheese were absolutely to die for. And this broccoli looks so good. I can't believe this quality of food is on a buffet. They also had this tantalizing pile of all sorts of different kinds of bread, and they did have some little pastries over here also, like little cinnamon rolls. And throughout the buffet, they had sections where the items were being handcrafted just for you. And I literally had like 4 or 5 pieces of this delicious Mexican street corn. They have so many different options at this buffet, and throughout our dining experience, the options were changing. Over here, they have some delicious gourmet pizza. This margarita pizza was so good. And the pizza offering did change throughout our dining experience. They also had this really cute little area where they had different Benedicts, and it is so funny. Mr. Cameraman dumped tartar sauce all over his eggs Benedict. It was a little confusing because the fish and chips were right next to the Benedicts. Then we got to the best part of the entire buffet, the dessert room. These are all a bunch of desserts that were just in little cups or plates that you could taste. They had a bunch of delicious cakes, some creme brulees, and they also had the most mesmerizing ice cream machine. I mean, I slowed this down for the video, but this thing spins pretty fast, and you can choose from any of those delicious flavors. I had the dragon fruit flavor. It was great. Well, I just had to get one more plate, and of course, I am going to end on the best thing in the entire buffet, and that is in the dessert room, and it's handmade by a real chef right in front of you. It is a delicious crepe. So first, you walk up and get a plate, and then I just had to wait for a little bit. The chef was making a few other crepes before mine. Here were the toppings that they had. The one all the way over is a delicious cannoli filling with cannoli shells crunched into it. Then next to that, there was whipped cream, there was strawberries, mixed berries. Watching the chef make these crepes has to be one of the most satisfying things I have ever watched. And then down there on the end, next to the mixed berries, there were these delicious candied nuts. After a few seconds, the crepe is finished, He flips it onto your plate, and then you can tell him what fillings you want him to stuff inside of your delicious handmade crepe. This is making me so hungry. Overall, this buffet is pretty unbelievable. The quality of food was absolutely amazing, and every single bite I took was 5-star, super high quality, great tasting, fresh, delicious food. You definitely have to come check out the buffet at the Wynn Las Vegas. It'll be a meal that you won't ever forget. Well, if you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you get notified the next time we upload a video. Definitely come to the Las Vegas Strip and check out the buffet at the Wynn Las Vegas. Well, we hope you enjoy eating as much as we do. Get out and enjoy what nature has given us through food. Have a great one.